Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP continues to show strength generally. It has turned around in our yellow box, in our support area. So far, the 65.9 cent level hasn't broken yet. But as I explained in the last video, the move up is only in 3 waves so far. I have tentatively marked the wave 4 complete, but that now obviously requires that we break above the 88 cent level as explained in yesterday's video. This is the resistance for a potential high B wave, because what of course could happen is that the move down was just an A wave. This here is a B wave and we come down once more in a C wave, do a deeper retracement. That's always possible. So far the move up doesn't really fully convince me, but support is holding, and as long as support is holding, we treat it like that. If it fails and cannot push above 88 cents, then the very first signal that it will fail would be, in my opinion, a break below the wave 4 low, which I have marked here as the end of the triangle, which is here the 73.1 cent level. So if price breaks below that level, then I think we have evidence that the rally and the breakout has failed, and it was indeed just a fake out. While Bitcoin is going up today, XRP shows some weakness. It's a little bit, again, it's just a confirmation what I always say. Not everything is related to Bitcoin. Many people always say it's all related to Bitcoin. I think XRP actually moves quite differently, quite different from Bitcoin, yeah. But yeah, it's this 73.1 cent, 73.1 cent level for me is the make or break point. For the thesis that the fifth wave has already started. In my opinion, below that level, it increases in likelihood that we will at least test 65.9 cents, and below that level, our next support, but that would be a change in wave count. Below that level, we have 56.5 cents as support. It depends, okay, are we now still in this fourth wave or the fifth wave already, yeah, in circle wave 3? It's basically about, are we still in circle wave 3 or are we already in circle wave 4? Circle wave 4 would lead to a deeper pullback into the larger support area, but it would be a more drawn out and longer correction that would take some time, I guess, to play out. So at the moment, I think we have a good chance that we're already running, but as I said, it needs to take 88 cents out, and at the moment it has reacted here to the 83 cent level, which is the golden ratio of the move down. Yeah, so basically B wave resistance, as I said here, potential A wave down, B wave and the C wave, and we need to see how far the C wave goes if we indeed break below 73.1 cents. There are ways to measure that, but at the moment we haven't got a confirmed top in place, so I'm still looking at the possibility it could go higher. Yeah. But certainly shows some weakness. Let's see if it can push higher. At the moment it is making higher highs, higher lows, but it should soon continue to not lose really momentum. I think that's the key here. And then we've got a very, very important resistance level up here around 95 cents. Very important. So that's an important level really to get through eventually. And it should do that if it is in the fifth wave of the third wave. But yeah, I think, as I said, looking at the bigger picture, what is very important is to understand that this chart is not very clear in contrast to what many others are saying. Yeah, I've seen some comments, people saying this is one of the clearest charts and that fundamentals are more important here, which is of course not the case, because it's not fundamentals making the price, it is the expectations of the buyers and the sellers, right? Only demand is pushing prices higher, and not the great utility of a coin or anything. It is the expectations and the sentiment, and that's exactly what we're measuring with Elliott Wave. The problem is if you don't have an impulse, then you can basically tell that you get unexpected retracements, you get choppy price action, and the XRP chart is just choppy. Nevertheless, we are focused on higher, either against 65.9 cents or 56.5. But yeah, hey, it's no utility has protected any coin from the bear market. Yeah, there is no exception. Yeah, even Uniswap, which is basically one of the biggest, if not the biggest, DeFi projects out there. Where's why is the price so down? It's just not fundamentals aren't doing anything to price. Not in crypto. The only degree that fundamentals do accept or do trigger price movements is if the masses believe it does, and that is again related to sentiment. So you'll see it ties all back to sentiment. So please don't argue with the fundamentals of XRP or anything. It is all related to sentiment. Even the court ruling was a spark in positive sentiment, yeah, because people got hyped. They got hyped. That's it, right? And now, yeah, we have a possible setup on the chart here, and so far price did react to it in a positive way, but of course it now needs to hold, and so far price action isn't fully convincing. Again, support below 65.9 is 56, and what it eventually needs to do to confirm that a lasting low is in place, it needs to form the 5-wave move to the upside. So far we only have 3, but certainly we can get 5. We just need a bit more patience, and I think here on the XRP chart, we need to give it a little bit more space when it comes to setbacks. And we just need to be a bit more flexible with regards to the wave count, because it is a diagonal at best. It's not an impulse. And if it's a diagonal, you just have to expect those setbacks, that choppy price action. Okay, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.